Huawei Mate 20 Pro sold out during first round of sale on Amazon. Huawei has announced that Huawei Mate 20 Pro, touted in the media reports as the king of smartphones, has sold out completely during the first round of sale on Amazon. Huawei has partnered with Chroma for its offline strategy and will also be organizing road shows between December 4 and December 16 to give customers an exclusive experience of the smartphone. OnePlus 5G phone to be among the first with a Snapdragon 855. OnePlus has announced that their unnamed 2019 flagship will be among the first smartphones to use the Snapdragon 855 chipset, with help from UK-based carrier E. It would also be Europe's first 5G phone. They further said, reportedly, the 5G OnePlus device will not be the official OnePlus 7 but will rather be a part of a separate product line. Huawei CFO, daughter of Huawei Founder, arrested in Canada. Meng Wanzhou, the chief financial officer of Huawei and daughter of Founder Ren Zhengfei, has been arrested in Canada, reportedly on suspicion that she violated U.S. trade sanctions. This comes after U.S. President Donald Trump signed a bill that would ban government agencies from using several Huawei products. Meng is being sought for extradition by the U.S. Canada said HCL to buy 7 IBM products for $1.8 billion in its biggest acquisition. Noida-based IT major HCL Technologies has said it will acquire 7 IBM products by mid-2019 for $1.8 billion in its biggest ever acquisition. The all-cash deal entails software products in areas including security, marketing, and collaboration solutions, representing a total addressable market of over $50 billion. The deal includes a transfer of some IBM employees. CFO Prati Kagawal said, Facebook faces outage. Users complain of getting logged out. Facebook on Wednesday faced an outage as many users in Europe and India were involuntarily logged out and were subsequently unable to log in. Facebook showed an error in users' passwords and prompted them to reset their passwords by receiving a code in their email, which reportedly did not work. According to a report, the problem has now been fixed.